Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you my little toolbox tour. My name's Shane. I'm a equipment mechanic for one of the rental companies, and I'm going to go over you with what I use for everyday stuff. Top drawer, I got my ticked-on impact sockets back here. They're pretty damn good. Don't have a problem with them. Let's see here. I had ticked on everything, and I switched that out for Husky. They had a 200-piece set, Husky set, for $59. I'm like, well, if I'm gonna beat up stuff, might as well beat up the cheap stuff. Most of it's 6-point, some of it's 12-point. A little bit of everything. I do have some Harbor Freight stuff. Oddball Harbor Freight swivels, Harbor Freight hex sockets. I've beat the living mess out of that one there. Putting it on an impact, it don't have a problem. It does pretty good. Let's see here. Snap-on 3/8 swivel ratchet. There's a Tecton. I like this thing a lot. I just wish they would make the selector like a snap-on. It isn't. So I just etched that in there. That way it wouldn't piss me off when I got in a tight spot. Snap-on, bought that used, bought this used. This is a handy little guy. Right here's snap-on. I bought that off the truck. I needed something real little, put some pressure on. Got the Kel-Tec P11. Let's see here, what else? Those are Harbor Freight, I think. Yeah, Pittsburgh. Those get you out of a tight jam. I don't use them a whole lot. Mac Air tool, in case I'm broke. I got me some corned beef to eat. You can't, little stuff like this, man, you can't beat it. Harbor Freight, you know, pick one up, put it in your toolbox. If you use it, you use it. If you don't, guess what? You still got it. Got some medicine, you know, keep you going throughout the day. RT roller diag tool. If you guys know, if you're doing what I'm doing, you know what that is. Paint pens, you know, lighter, mirror, scrapers, demagnetizer, that's handy. Let's see here, big adapters, small engine stuff, some caps, lots of caps. Let's see here. If you work on a whacker noose and anything, you need that. That's the top drawer.